The magic circle is one of the most magical techniques in crochet. It's the perfect way to start projects like hats, coasters, and more, giving you a neat gap-free center every time. We're going to start by unraveling our thread. But we're going to pull up a yoke, so we're going to wind the yarn over our finger, making sure to go up and over, and then we're going to take our hook up and over, scoop it up, and then we're going to do one chain to secure that loop in place. And we're going to crochet 6 crochets, single crochets over top of those 2 loops, or those 2 strands right there. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we're going to take that end of the yarn and we're going to start pulling that closed. There we go. Easy as pie, right? And then we're gonna slip stitch into that first. I always do it too tight. Slip stitch into that first single crochet. And you can pull it just a little, that one piece of yarn just a little bit tighter. And you can see now you have a gap-free circle. Practice makes perfect. Once you get the hang of it, the magic circle will be your new best friend. If you're ready to put this skill to use, check out my other videos where I teach and use the magic circle for projects like coasters and beanies. In fact, I just released a beanie video. Stay hooked.